So they're saying, oh, experts and transcendentalists, kushala. But kushala also means those those that are very attached, to you, like us. So Vishnu says that's us, kushala. We're not experts and expert transcendentalists, which is one meaning of the word kushala. We're actually, as he defines, the other meaning is we're faithful, affectionate persons who are completely attached to you. Because there's twayi ritim. So the external or outward meaning, which is not the Parokshavad, the external or outward meaning, what the gopis are saying, is kushala, expert transcendentalist, ratim, twahi ratim, they're very attached to you. But actually what they're saying is kushala, we who are very affectionate and full of faith in you, have rati for you, twahi rati. What type of rati? We have parakiya bhav and madhura rati.